Hi there, my name is Ania Haas, and today I want to show you how I use cupping on the skin of my face, neck and my décolletage. If this is something that resonates with you, stay tuned and let's keep going. I put my hair up because we are going to work with oil, and if you don't want the hair to be on your hair, then put your hair up away from your face. So for today's purpose, the cupping that I'm going to be using, these require a little bit of oil so it can glide along the skin. So what the cupping is doing is squeezing it's pulling the tissue inside of the cup, and by moving the cup and moving the skin, we are impacting the blood flow, so there's more blood coming to the surface of your skin, so there is a lymphatic drainage happening. You are removing any waste from the skin, and you are bringing the youthfulness to your skin, so you're improving the structure of your skin. All right, so first I'm going to use my favorite face oil, Vital Glow. I'm going to link all of the products underneath this video. So I take a little bit of the oil and I put it on the skin of my face, my neck, and my décolletage, everywhere where I'm going to use the cupping. And probably you are remembering how the cupping looks like when it's left. The cups, it makes little marks, but actually by moving the cups along, there is no demarcation, so there is nothing that is going to be happening. There might be a little bit of redness, but no broken capillaries, nothing. So there are, in this set that I got for myself, there is 4 cups. There are 2 cups that are big. These are big, so we are not going to use them on the face. These are for the body. I'm going to use the small ones. The bigger one I'm going to use on a bigger area of my face, and the small one I'm going to use in the smaller areas of my face, like right here around my eyebrows, right here on by the hairline. And so I'll start with this one, the bigger one. And basically what you want to do is to squeeze the cup, put it on your skin, let this cup squeeze your skin, and then move along. And you'll do it everywhere on the skin of the cheek, and it feels really good. It feels very pleasant. And you can also control how much of the skin goes inside of the cup. The deeper it goes, the deeper it almost feels like myofascial work. So if there's like a stagnant blood, then it's going to help you to move it through and just leave your skin very nicely oxygenated and beautiful. Basically, it's improving the skin. And I'll do the same on the other side. And if you are bony, like my skin, my face is very bony, then the smaller one probably is going to suck a little better than the bigger one, because the bigger one needs a little bit more of a skin, but I still like how it feels. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same one, and I'm going to do basically the same along right here. also right in here. It feels so good. And for the skin on the décolletage, we are going to use even the bigger one. So I'm going to come back to this. So I'm going to take the smallest one, and I can go back to where I was doing before, because this one feels even better. It feels deeper somehow for me. And I'm going to use it also right around my eyebrows. And you can go all the way around. And I have my puppy wanting to join me for no matter what I do. And I use it sometimes even on the lips. Now I'm going to use the third one from the size, and I'm going to use it right here on my décolletage. And it feels really amazing. It feels like you are doing some work. Definitely there is a feeling that your skin is being worked on. It's the same as I do it with massage. Sometimes I just use cup to warm up the tissues for my clients. It's really amazing work. You have to really always know that you're moving the old stagnant blood and the waste products away from your body. So you wanted to have this movement towards your armpits, towards the trunks. And so any lymph, anything that it holds any waste product is going to just be simply removed. And as I said before, because you are the one that is squeezing this pump, you can decide how much of the skin you want to be pulled in. The more you pull it in, the more it's like more myofascial work, and the less it's more of a lymphatic drainage work. So if there's any stagnant water, if you feel a little bit bloated on your face or on your neck or décolletage, this is going to really help you to move this water away from you. And it feels fabulous. And if there is like a redness occurring, it's going to be totally fine, because it's going to disappear very soon after if there is no broken capillaries. Alright, so this is what I wanted to show you. Again, I was using these cups. You can use any of them. It depends how big of a skin surface it is. I'm going to put links down below to all the products I've been using. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.